All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a playbook. So as always, the very first thing we're going to do is open up our Bardeen extension. And then from here, we're going to look at whichever playbook we would like to share. And then we're going to go over and then we're going to click this little share button, the very first box here. And then you'll see a couple different options here. So your very first one will be the URL. You can copy and close that one. You also have a couple of other options that you can use to share it as well. But either way, most of the time you're probably going to be doing a copy and close. So once you have that, you do have it inside of your clipboard here. So we're going to make a new tab here and then paste it in. You can see it right there. Click enter. Great. So now we can actually see our playbook where it says test.playbook. And here you'll have two options. You can either try it or pin it. So trying it would just be testing it out. There's no really commitment. It's not adding it to your account. Pinning it would actually be adding it to your account. Hope that helps.